Hi, Philippines.
Today the girls will be seeing you.
Oh.
Show your handsome face.
No more.
You say hi to EJ. EJ will watch this in
Look.
Facebook.
Go over there.
Hello, Steve. Steve.
Oh. That's a wonderful question.
Say hello to my classmates. Talina.
Hi. I think there's something stuck on my teeth.
I'm going to post this in YouTube, you know. And my 200 classmates will see this.
Hi, 200 classmates.
You say hi to the Ning Ning.
Hi, honey.
How's the food, Steve?
I know. So sad.
You tell the truth.
So sad. That's good. That's good. You guys should wish you were here, you know. Look.
Okay, go on.
Hey, stop it.
Two maniacs are chasing me.
No. Hello, babe.
Hello.
Say hello to my classmates.
Hello.
Say hello, Chairman Noel.
What?
Hello, Chairman Noel. Dali.
What?
What? Dali na, babe. Do you love mommy?
Yeah.
Why?
You know, the trick is, man.
Because.
By the time like actual meal gets there, I filled up on top.
Sige, mag-usap lang kayo.
Wala na kami pag-usapan.
O, say bye-bye na lang.
Hindi pa mamaya na.
Oo nga, tama. Mamaya dinner pa eh. Sige, bye-bye.